Are you looking for the best dashcam? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best dashcam on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. LINGDU Dash Cam. The LD02 Lite 4K dashcam is a high-performance car DVR designed for front and rear recording, featuring a 4K front camera and 1080p rear camera. It includes advanced hardware such as GPS, G-sensor, a supercapacitor, and a Type-C connector, along with software features like 24-hour parking monitor, voice control, English only, loop recording, night vision, emergency recording, and parking assistance. The dashcam comes with a 3-inch IPS screen, built-in Wi-Fi, 2.4 GHz per 5 GHz dual band, for app control via the free LINGDU app, iOS and Android, and built-in GPS tracking for recording routes, speed, and coordinates. The device supports time-lapse parking mode, has a wide 150 degrees viewing angle, and records in high-quality 4K resolution with H.264, H.265 video codecs. It supports up to 128 GB external memory and comes with a free 64 GB SD card. The package includes the dashcam, rear camera, car charger, Type-C power cable, electrostatic films, cable clips, and a user manual. The device is portable, operates within -20 degrees Celsius to 70 degrees Celsius, -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 158 degrees Fahrenheit, and offers multilingual support. Additionally, its supercapacitor ensures durability in extreme temperatures, and the GPS player provides detailed driving data. The LD02 Lite is ideal for users seeking reliable performance, advanced features, and ease of use in a compact design. Number 2. BEPOCAM ZD72 4K Dashcam. The BEPOCAM ZD72 4K Dual Dashcam is a high-performance car DVR equipped with advanced features for enhanced vehicle surveillance. It boasts a 5-megapixel Sony IMX335 image sensor, delivering exceptional video quality with 4K resolution for the front camera and 2K resolution for the rear camera. The device supports dual recording, motion detection, parking monitoring, and a built-in GPS for real-time tracking. It features a 3.16-inch IPS display with a resolution of 820 by 320, a wide 170 degrees viewing angle, and supports up to 512 GB micro SD cards, class 10 or above. Designed for durability, its casing is made from high-temperature resistant materials with a fire resistance rating of V0. The dashcam uses a 2.5F supercapacitor for power and supports 5G Wi-Fi connectivity, allowing seamless integration with the BEPOCAM app on both iOS and Android devices. With additional features like G-sensor, loop cycle recording, exposure compensation, and 24-hour parking monitoring, the BEPOCAM ZD72 is a reliable and robust solution for vehicle safety and recording needs. Number 3. TiESFONG for CH GPS Dashcam. The TiESFONG i7 Pro WB for CH Dashcam is a high-performance car DVR designed to ensure comprehensive safety and monitoring with its advanced features. It offers for channel recording, including a 4K Ultra HD front camera and 1080p rear, left, and right cameras, providing 360 degrees multi-angle coverage with a 150 degrees wide view. Equipped with features like built-in 24-hour radar parking monitoring, GPS, G-sensors, Super IR night vision, wide dynamic range, WDR, loop recording, and built-in Wi-Fi, it ensures clear and reliable footage in various conditions. The device supports up to 256 GB Class 10 micro SD cards for video storage and is powered by a corded electric source. It is compatible with cars supporting 12V, 24V power and includes an external GPS logger, a built-in screen, and multilingual OSD options. The dashcam is ISO certified, CE, RoHS, and FCC approved, reflecting its global compliance and innovative design standards. With its robust features and stable performance, the TiESFONG i7 Pro WB is ideal for capturing road details, parking incidents, and scenic drives. Number 4. LINGDU D500 Smart Dash Cam. The LINGDU D500 is a state-of-the-art dashcam designed for comprehensive vehicle monitoring and recording. It features a stunning 4K resolution of 3840x2160p at 25 frames per second and offers additional video resolutions of 2560x1440p at 30 frames per second and 1920x1080p at 30 frames per second. The device includes advanced functionalities such as built-in GPS and Wi-Fi 6 for seamless data transfer, as well as intelligent features like time-lapse and collision detection parking modes for enhanced vehicle protection. Its WDR night vision technology ensures clear footage even in low-light conditions. The dashcam supports microSD cards up to 256 GB, not included, and is powered by a built-in super capacitor for reliable performance. The LINGDU D500 is equipped with a range of special features, including a G-sensor, built-in GPS, wide dynamic range, Wi-Fi function, Bluetooth, voice control, and a parking monitor. It is compatible with the LINGDU app and supports multiple languages, including English, Japanese, German, French, Spanish, Italian, and Russian. The device is designed for easy installation with a hidden assembly mode and offers 3 reliable parking monitoring modes to ensure continuous surveillance. Number 5. Yangood Dashcam Car Dash Cam. The Yangood Dashcam Auto 4K Car Dash Camera is a high-resolution vehicle DVR designed for all types of cars, offering advanced features like 4K video recording, 3840x2160p at 25 fps, night vision, Wi-Fi connectivity, external GPS support, and a wide 170 degrees angle lens with an f1.6 aperture. It includes built-in features like G-sensor, cycle recording, parking monitoring, wide dynamic range, and automatic OFF functionality. The device uses a Sony IMX415 imaging sensor and supports up to 256 GB Class 10 microSD cards for storage, not included. While it has a small built-in coin cell battery for saving time and settings, it requires a corded electric power source for operation. The dashcam is portable, waterproof, anti-vibration, and supports additional functionalities such as radar detection, speed and coordinates recording, and 24-hour parking monitoring with an optional hardwire kit. The package includes the dashcam, user manual, optional GPS module, and other accessories. It is compatible with 12V power supplies and requires high-quality TF cards for optimal performance. Users can connect to the dashcam via Wi-Fi to view and download videos through mobile apps.